I do like languages, and having spoken quite a few of them, Yiddish is a very, I think it's very interesting, and there are some things that you can't even translate correctly if you translate from the Yiddish, which they don't have the same meaning, really.
You have an example you can give us, maybe?
An example. Take? I don't know how to translate it. Take means like this, or but it could be a question. It could be. I don't know how to translate it any better. There are so many expressions. The curse. So's wachsen wie a Zibbele mit dem Kopf entdreht. You should grow like an onion with your head in the ground.
Which is
a curse. It's much nicer to say than to say drop dead.
Right.
And so's huben hindert Hase. En so's te wären warfig von ein Bett auf ein nicht huben Karuhe. It's much better to say that you should be nervous. It means you should have 100 houses with 100 beds in it, and you should be thrown from one bed to the next, never having any peace. How do you say that in English? And it won't come out the same. But that means you should have no peace ever. That's worse than anything.